Good morning, dear children. Open your book. We learn the lesson Govind the Little Helper. Below this lesson, we are going to learn more about the words. Come on the page number 10, page number 12, question number 6. Yep, here, soup. Here some pictures are given. Read the question. Soup and tea taste good when hot. We only drink or have tea when it is hot, and soup also we have hot soup. Here some food items are given and the question is circle the food items that taste good when cold. So tell me which food item tastes good when it is cold? Cold drinks. Ice cream, circle the ice cream. We have cool ice cream. But pizza, do we have cool pizza? No. Do we have hot paratha or chapatis? Cold paratha or chapati? No, only we have a hot chapati or a paratha. So only two food items, juice and ice cream we have cold, or it tastes best when they are cold. In more about words, now we are going to learn about the compound words. Compound words means what? When two meaningful words come together and form another new word is known as a compound word. Let's read. Join the words in a box with the words in a box too to make compound word. Use them to name the pictures. Pictures are given below and the box 1 and box 2 the words are given. You have to match these words and make one compound word. Black, book, ward, home, row, work, shelf, board. This picture is of a blackboard. When we join these two words black and board, these two words, then it's form new word, compound word, that is a blackboard. Okay. The second picture is about the bookshelf. When we join the two, book is one word and shelf is another word. When we join these two words and form a new word, that is a bookshelf. So write a bookshelf here. Ward plus rock, wardrobe. Then work and home. When we join this word homework, new word form homework. In this way, we learn about the compound words. On page number 13, in language and uses part, we are going to learn about the words which ends with the ly suffix. And these words are known as adjective in grammatical words. Okay. Now read the following. Mother quickly packed some rice and hot soup. Oh, thank you, Govind, Aunt Neela said softly. Here, this bold letter words quickly and softly. These words ends with the ly. You can see here end with ly. Quick plus ly, quickly, soft plus ly, softly. These words like quickly, softly, badly tells us how the action is done. So in grammatical language, such words are known as adverbs. The word which describes about the verb or tells more about the verb is known as a adverb. Okay. Now let's learn more about these adverbs. Question number 1. Add ly to the action words in the brackets and fill in the blank. One is done for you. Okay. Tina sang sweetly. The action word, the word is sweet. You have to add ly. Then adverbs become sweetly. Okay. If you ask a question to the doer of the action is Tina. If you ask the question to Tina, how Tina sang, how did Tina sing, then you will get an answer. Tina sang sweetly. We get answer sweetly. So sang means singing is action, and sweetly words tells about the how Tina sing. Okay. The child slept quite quietly. Write quiet word which is given in a bracket and then add ly. The word becomes quietly. If you ask the question, how did child sleep? मूल कसं झोपलेलं आहे? Quietly. We get answer quietly. Quietly is an adverb here. The baby walked slowly. Write slow, slow word, and then add ly. The word becomes slowly. Okay? And this slowly word describes the walking of the baby. If you ask the question, how did the baby walk? The baby walked slowly. We get answer slowly. The boy spoke loudly. In this way, the last you have to do, the man shouted madly. How did the man shout madly? Now question number 2, underline the nouns in the following passage. You can take the help of the picture and underline the noun. On Monday, father gave Payal a kitten. Monday. Monday is the name of a day of the week. Father is the name of a person. Payal is the name of a girl. Kitten is the name of an animal. He bought it from Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is the name of a city. It drank milk from a saucer. Milk an object and this also an object. Saucer is also. Tarun and she took the kitten to the park. Tarun is the name of a boy. Kitten is the name of an animal. Park is the name of a place. It mewed, swing a dog. Seeing a dog. Dog is the name of a animals.